100% on our way to the moon.
Moontrain's on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony. When
The Dow is over $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
No, you did.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right. Quick recap. Pretty straightforward here. If this is, and it is the first move down on FOMC, from the announcement price, gives you roughly 20 points. You should go now in the opposite direction before this actual sell starts. Another 20.75 brings you roughly to 71.50. Okay, why is that interesting? Because we're starting to have I think that's what he wants. It's like tried to do it overnight and then it came down again. We're starting to have some clusters here, some trend lines here. Market seems a little weak. The first move was down on FOMC. You come up here, let's say, overshoot that target and hit the trend line, then you can pretty much leave that gap here and start coming down. You do have Apple tomorrow, you have core PC. I have a hard time seeing how this core PC is going to be bullish, but remains to be seen. As far as SPY, and here you can see pretty much what I'm talking about. So these are never good after hours. Crazy chop, just violent algo chop. Microsoft move up that then faded. SPY took a little bit more time to come down. This is on some CENTCOM news. If it can hold, we still have that ghost from TradingView to I think it's 715.75, which is roughly what that target would be. Okay, after that, not a bad idea to start scaling into some longer puts. You can also wait for Apple, but I think after these tech earnings, we're gonna get developments with Iran. Clearly, pretty interesting to see that the market is not only front running it, but I mean, look at this shit. In a week again, we've just absolutely blasted off on oil. VIX1D is up into close. Probably gap either to that target or underneath tomorrow. So I'm in 715 calls and 710 puts personally. So hopefully up and then down. Also in MU, pretty decent after hours, still holding. I'm gonna hold some YOLOs for SNDKs. Hey guys, wait. For SNDKs earnings, had my meta YOLOs, which sucks that this happens on a beat, but it is what it is. Still 92% cash. Also in Abgo. Now Abgo overnight did hit 415. Now it's down here trying to negotiate with this. Would be cool if it went. Sympathy play on Google, of course, which had the best earnings. Microsoft, another mixed bag, IV flush. So one missed, one beat, one was a flush, and then you have Amazon that can't make up its mind. The big one, Apple tomorrow, going to be interesting. Here you see compared to last earnings, they needed 138 billion, this time 109. Can it, save the market? If not, I mean, the sell is definitely on. So maybe we get a pump into the full moon and then it's down, because something I spoke about in the full moon circle yesterday, which I want to draw attention to, is I think we're very close to the currency wars here. This is the weekly chart of USD JPY, also known as the carry trade. That happened last time. We are elevated here. This is creeping up. Very strong bull trend. Kind of looks like oil. So overall thing, we're restructuring everything, and especially energy. The energy sector. Here's the NAMO. It's given that 80-pointer ripper back minus 19, so it's just dropped. The NAMO strength has dropped 99 points. The market's still pretending to be holding. Obviously, if the market gods decide to rip it higher, we're gonna rip it higher, but this is coming down pretty fast, so I do think that there's selling going on here, and then the market's gonna catch up. With that said, God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow for IB session. Don't do too much tomorrow, by the way.